Mm. 2 minutes, guys. Mm. Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking scrambled eggs in the microwave. So I will be making one serving only, so I will be using one egg, but if you are a vegan, you can use a plant-based egg. This is 1/3 cup. I will be adding 1/2 tablespoon of onion, sliced onion, and one half tablespoon of sliced tomatoes. Also, I will be adding moringa leaves, but this is totally optional. I got this from my garden, so I'm gonna add some. It's already washed. I will be adding a dash of garlic powder. Also, I will be adding a dash of crushed red pepper, a pinch of salt, and a black pepper. I'm gonna mix it up. This is how it looks like. So this one takes 2 minutes to cook, but if you are going to cook it without the vegetables, it only takes 1 minute. If you decided you just want the dry ingredients like this one over here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave. I'm gonna put the cover and 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is over. We're gonna check our scrambled eggs. This is how it looks like. It's totally cooked. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix it. And here's your scrambled eggs. Like I said, if you don't want to use any vegetable, it only takes 1 minute. Okay? There you go, guys. Scrambled eggs, 2 minutes in the microwave. And you can also cook this 1 minute in the microwave without the fresh vegetables. Okay? So this is how I cook my 2 minutes scrambled eggs in the microwave. Let's do my favorite part. Let's eat. Now, if you cook this without the fresh vegetables, you just have to cook it for 1 minute. Okay? For one egg. 1 minute for one egg. 1/3 cup of plant-based egg. 1 minute without the fresh vegetables. So you can just put salt and pepper and the dry ingredients. 1 minute. But if you want to add more eggs, then you add minutes to your eggs. Okay? So I'm gonna eat my my toast bread. All the vegetables are optional. It's good, guys. It tastes just like you cook it in your stove. Especially if you are very busy, you can put it in the mug, and then you cook it there, and you have breakfast to go. So after 1 minute, you go. Especially if you one of those is busy, this is great. Okay. Mm. 2 minutes, guys. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.